black cricket. This brown cricket. Kid is so beautiful. This is the copper grasshopper. The dragonfly. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Red small millipede. Cockroach. Beetle. What called beetle? What does it call? Small grasshopper. Spider. Small spider. I don't know. Yeah. And this one is dragonfly. Wow, this one is so beautiful. This one is butterfly. Sorry, dragonfly. And this one is brown dragonfly. Beautiful. Chico. Pretty Chico, and this one is small cricket on the wall. Wow, this is the cricket, black cricket. You see, so beautiful, black cricket. This is one more. This is brown cricket. Wow. Wow, this is one more black cricket. It's so beautiful. Yeah, it's so beautiful, and it's black color. Wow, this is one more. This is brown cricket. Yes, I caught him. This is brown, not black. Yeah, you see, it's so beautiful, and it's different color. It's the same cricket but different color. And this is one more. This one is brown cricket. I caught him now. Wow, very big. You see, it's very big. Wow. And this is one more cricket. This is brown cricket. Wow, he ran so fast. This is brown cricket. Yeah, I caught him now. It's so beautiful. And this is one more brown cricket. Yeah. Now 8 p.m. on the Sunday. Wow. And this is grasshopper, small grasshopper. I don't know what does it name in English, so I will catch him. This is the copper grasshopper. Yeah. And this is one more grasshopper. It's small. Yes. I caught him now. Wow, this is one more and big grasshopper. This is the green grasshopper. It's very big. Yeah. Now I caught him now. It's so beautiful and the green color. Wow, this one is butterfly. No butterfly, sorry. Yes, this is the dragonfly. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow. Now he fly away. And this one, I found this one. This one I don't know in English. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yeah. And this one is millipede, red small millipede. You see, red small millipede. Yeah, this is the small red millipede. And this is one more grasshopper. Yes, I count him now. And this is one more. One more. This is one more grasshopper. Wow, he ran so fast. Wow, this is one more small red millipede. You see, small red millipede. Wow, and this one is cockroach. Cockroach. Yes, I got it now. Yes, this one is cockroach. Wow, now I found the beetle. This one is very big beetle. Wow, beetle is very big. Wow, this one is water beetle. It's very big and black color. Water beetle. It's so beautiful. And this one I don't know. I don't know name in English. Wow. Wow, you see this these are a lot of cricket. Hmm, he ran so fast. Wow. Yes, I caught him now. And this one I don't know in English. What does it call? Who know can you can tell me in the comment. I don't know in English. And this one small grasshopper. Yes, small small grasshopper. And this one is cricket. Yes, cricket. Wow, there are three small grasshopper around here. Now you can see. And this one is spider. Small spider. You can see. It's very small. Yeah. This one is small grasshopper. Yes. This is two more. And this is a black cricket. And this is brown cricket. It's the same cricket, but it's different color. Yes. Yes, it's black. And this one brown color, brown cricket. Yes. And this one I don't know in English. I don't know this one. This insect I don't know. Yes. And this one is dragonfly. Wow, it's so beautiful. Dragonfly. Now he ran away. Wow, this one is so beautiful. This one is butterfly. Sorry, dragonfly. It's red color. It's so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Now I count him. It's so beautiful. And this one is brown dragonfly. It's so beautiful. Brown dragonfly. Wow. It's so beautiful. You see? And this one is grasshopper. Grasshopper. Yes. It's so beautiful. And this one I don't know. What does it name in English? This one. Very small. Now he is sleeping on the leaf. Wow. You see this one is so beautiful. I don't know in English. This one I call in my country is donker. It's called donker in my country. Donker. It's so beautiful and it's so big. And this one is small red millipede. Small red millipede. So beautiful. And this one is butterfly. Small dot butterfly. We call small butterfly, but it's so beautiful. Yes, it's so beautiful. Yeah, now he fly away. Yeah, this is one more small butterfly. You see, it's so beautiful. Wow. Now you can see a lot of cricket around here. I will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 cricket around here. Or 5 cricket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cricket around here. This is the brown cricket, not black. And this one also brown cricket. Wow, you look this one. It's so beautiful. this is this one is so beautiful. And this one is small red millipede. Small red millipede. Wow, this is so beautiful. Chico. That is Chico, and this one is small cricket on the wall. And this one is Chico. It's also on the wall.